Hey, in this video I'm gonna show you the design comparison between the Redmi 13C and the POCO C65. So I'm gonna zoom in, and first we are gonna focus on the camera. So when you take a look at the camera, as you can see, almost everything looks the same. The one difference is right here. In this place we can find additional layer of this material, and here we can find the POCO marking. When we go right here at the bottom, we can actually find the Redmi marking. On the POCO it appears right here, and in this place at the bottom we can actually find the another marking. It looks basically the same. So now when you take a look on this side, on the volume buttons and the power button, it also looks the same position, the same buttons. Now let's go for the upper bar, and right here we can find the headphone jack, and it's also the same. When we take a look right here on the SIM tray, that's the same position, and at the bottom we can actually find the speaker on the right side, the USB-C port, and the microphone input. And from the front, if you wonder, that's also the same display with a notch. It looks identical. Now I'm gonna show you how the SIM tray looks on the both devices. So now I'm gonna bring here the SIM tool, and we are going to check if the both devices actually support the headphone jack and also the dual SIM. I mean the dual SIM and the micro SD card. So here we got the POCO C65. So that's from the POCO C65, and from here we've got the Redmi 13C. Okay, so let's zoom in. I'm gonna put it on my hand to catch focus, and as you can see, it looks also identical. So we can input the micro SD card and the two nano SIM cards, and from this side it's also looking the same. So there's like no difference between them. And now we can also check the size. So I'm gonna zoom in and take a look on the back. As you can see, the size of the both devices is actually the same. I'm gonna also put it like this. So yeah, as you can see, that's all. That's the design comparison between the Redmi 13C and the POCO C65. And of course, if you are looking for other videos with the two devices, just take a look for my YouTube channel. And that's all. Bye bye.